Is it the right time to make a decision about Microsoft stock? In this video, we will delve deep into Microsoft. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, February 15, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. To stay updated on our latest analysis, make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell. Missing any crucial updates that could impact your investments would be regrettable. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of January 8, 2024, our system has ranked Microsoft as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of -0.62. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. During this time, the stock has exceeded our expectations by gaining 8.51% since we first recommended buying Microsoft 28 days ago. This means that on average, the stock has delivered a return of 0.3% per day since it was listed as hold/accumulate. The stock is currently in a strong rising trend in the short term, indicating a potential further increase. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a projected 11.86% change over the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return ranging from 6.85% to 16.52%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a predicted 42.94% change over the next year. This could result in a return between 26.78% and 48.57%. In terms of price, it may reach anywhere from $515.44 to $604.02 after a year. In this update, we'll be discussing the recent performance of Microsoft stock. On Thursday, the 15th of February 2024, Microsoft stock experienced a decline of -0.716%, dropping from $409.49 to $406.56. Throughout the trading day, the stock price fluctuated between a low of $404.29 and a high of $409.13, showing a 1.2% change. Over the past 2 weeks, there has been a 0.69% gain in the stock price, although it has been varying. On the last day, trading volume increased by 1 million shares, but the prices were falling. This could potentially indicate a warning sign, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, approximately 22 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to around $8.78 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price for Microsoft stock was $420.82, while the lowest was $245.61. Currently, the stock price is 3.39% or $14.26 below the 52-week high of $420.82, which also happens to be the all-time high. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, February 7, 2024, Oppenheimer upgraded their grade for Microsoft to overweight. On Wednesday, January 31, 2024, BMO Capital gave Microsoft an outperform grade with a hold action. RBC Capital also gave Microsoft an outperform grade with a hold action on Wednesday, January 31, 2024. William Blair reported an outperform grade with a hold action for Microsoft on Wednesday, January 31, 2024. Barclays upgraded their grade for Microsoft to overweight with a hold action on Wednesday, January 31, 2024. Analysts have given Microsoft stock a strong buy rating overall. They believe the PE ratio is also a strong buy opportunity, as well as the price-to-book ratio. Additionally, the analysts predict a strong buy rating for return on investment with this stock. In this video, we'll be discussing the signals identified for Microsoft stock. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal for Microsoft, while the long-term average indicates a buy signal. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal for the stock, giving a positive forecast. If the stock continues to rise, it may encounter resistance at around $412.33 from the short-term moving average. Conversely, if the stock falls, it may find support at approximately $394.75 from the long-term average. A break above the short-term average would trigger a buy signal, while a break below the long-term average would trigger a sell signal. It's important to note that some negative signals have also been issued, which could impact the stock's near-term development. On Friday, February 9, 2024, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a minus 3.33% decline so far. Further decline is expected until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, currently indicates a sell signal. Yesterday, volume increased as prices fell, which could be an early warning sign that should be monitored closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence, which is giving a sell signal. Next, we have the pivots, which also indicate a sell signal 5 days ago. On the other hand, the Bollinger Bands are showing a buy signal 5 days ago. The short-term moving average is giving a sell signal 4 days ago. However, the long-term moving average is indicating a buy signal 29 days ago. When we consider the relation between the short and long moving averages, we see a buy signal 26 days ago. Taking a look at the 12-month chart, we observe that the short moving average signaled a buy 29 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 76 days ago. Furthermore, the relation between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 73 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Microsoft. Microsoft has found support from accumulated volume at $397.58. This level presents a potential buying opportunity as we can expect an upwards reaction when the support is tested. Overall, the stock exhibits controlled movements and offers good liquidity, resulting in a low risk for investors. In the past day, the stock had a price range of $4.84, or 1.2%, between its high and low points. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 1.4%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Microsoft, let's quickly go over some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio is crucial as it measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. Microsoft has a relatively normal PE ratio, which is often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. Moving on to the latest news, the next earnings report for Microsoft's Q1 2024 is expected to be released on April 23, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report are at $2.81. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly impact the stock prices. Today, let's dive into potential day trading levels for Microsoft. If the stock follows an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch for is at $408.59. If you're considering entering a position, it might be wise to wait for the stock to surpass this level. For those who already hold Microsoft shares, keep this level in mind for potential swing trading opportunities. On the downside, Microsoft encounters its first support level at $397.58. If this support level holds, it could present a promising entry point, as we might expect a rebound in the stock price. The average rating for Microsoft according to multiple analysts is a strong buy. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Smith Bradford L. They bought and sold a total of 48,003 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 4.549. In total, insiders purchased 336,402 shares and sold 288,437 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $390.20, which represents a 4.02% decrease from its current value. This stock is known for its low daily movements, which translates to lower risk for investors. We have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was observed 4 days ago. Is Microsoft stock a good buy? Despite several negative signals, Microsoft's potential for a turnaround makes it a hold candidate in its current position. We recommend considering holding or accumulating the stock while awaiting further development. Our analysis of volatility and movements from the last trading day suggests that the current price is undervalued. On Friday, February 16th, we anticipate Microsoft to open up $0.100 and begin trading at $406.66. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and have a beautiful day with regards from all of us here at StockInvest.